The Fronius GEN24 inverter is a game changer in the world of home solar power. This intelligent device forms the heart of a solar energy system, converting the direct current, DC, generated by solar panels into alternating current, AC, that powers our homes. The GEN24 stands out for its affordability, advanced features, and adaptability. The GEN24 is designed for both current needs and future expansion. It's a smart energy solution that grows with you. Initially, it functions as a high-performance string inverter. This means it starts by efficiently converting direct current to alternating current electricity from solar panels, generating power for your home. This conversion process is crucial as it allows the solar energy collected to be used by standard household appliances or stored in a battery. The GEN24 excels in this role, providing reliable and efficient energy conversion. A standout feature is its high input current capacity, allowing it to handle more powerful solar panels, becoming increasingly popular. This means as solar technology advances, the GEN24 is ready to accommodate higher efficiency panels without needing an upgrade. Furthermore, the innovative PV point allows for direct connection of a small solar panel, providing basic backup power even without a battery. This feature ensures that even in the event of a power outage, essential devices can remain operational, offering peace of mind and continuous energy security. The GEN24 is an investment in a sustainable future. It ensures that your home is not only powered by the sun now, but also ready for what comes next. Its adaptability is an impressive forward step in inverter design. Whether you are looking to start small or go big, the GEN24 can grow with you. It's designed to be flexible, accommodating the changing energy landscape and your household's increasing energy demands. Homeowners can start with a basic solar setup and seamlessly upgrade to a full hybrid system with battery storage later on. This means you can begin with just solar panels and add battery storage as your energy needs change, ensuring that you always have the power you need at the most economical price. This future-proof design ensures maximum return on investment and provides energy security for years to come. With the GEN24, you are not just saving money on your energy bills, you are also investing in a system that will continue to deliver value long into the future.